Do you want to know how you can access the notification settings on your Upwork account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access the notification settings on your Upwork account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to upwork.com. After you open upwork.com, make sure that you are logged into your account. Click on the top right hand side of your screen, which is your profile, and go to account settings. After you go to account settings, scroll a bit down and click on notification settings, which you can see on the left side of your screen. You can see that the notification settings will be accessed now. There are some options like messages, email updates, and tag settings. You can turn it off or on individually according to your wish. So if you don't want to get any messages, you can change it over here. So if you go ahead and choose nothing over here, you can see that the changes will be saved. If you want to change the email updates and want to disable all of the email notifications you get, just go ahead and click on this box and you will never get the notifications on your email. You can also go to tag settings and you can enable it or disable it according to your wish. So guys, this is how you access your notification settings on your Upwork account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.